Hello, welcome to Rev Endurance Sports and another edition of What's in Our Stand today. Today we have a Scott Plasma that is ridden and raced by one of my dear friends, and he's about 5 weeks out from his triathlon to defend his title as age group winner. And so we want to make sure the bike is race ready and battle ready, as he calls it. So it's in for a tune-up. A couple of things that we noticed. His chain is really close, so we're going to replace that just before the race. And the shifting and brakes, we're going to adjust them a little bit. And the biggest issue we had was that the headset was loose, and we needed to figure out what was going on. So this is held on here precariously just for demonstration purposes, but what we have is, this is what the stem looks like, and this is what the top cap looks like. All right, so this is what his top cap looks like, and you can see that that piece has fallen out. All right, so just a quick tutorial on how headsets are adjusted. So you first have to loosen up the stem bolts, which are these four right here, because those are holding on to the steer tube here. Once you've loosened these four bolts, in this case, sometimes it's two on most stems, then you can tighten down this top bolt, and that'll cinch up the headset. Once that's nice and set, then you tighten these four bolts. So we think that what might have happened is, without loosening the side bolts first, excessive amounts of pressure was put on this little cap, and it just, well, the bolt now just goes straight through the hole. So that's a quickie on how to do headset adjustments, and really it's an order of operations thing. Has to be done in a certain way, just like in math, where you have to multiply, divide, all that stuff. You have to do it in a certain order. All right, so and then just something that I thought was interesting to point out to the public is that a lot of you don't know that Ritchey makes a lot of OE parts. So this is a headset made by Ritchey. They make a lot of unique parts, and in this case, this is nice. It comes with the Crown Race, which we won't need. But here we have the headset. This stem is also made by Ritchey for Scott. So they make a lot of OE parts, and a lot of times you don't even know that you're riding a Ritchey part. But here at Rev Endurance Sports, we use Ritchey components a lot. Stems and handlebars and seat posts. We also sell Ritchey bikes, but when people ask for an upgrade to their aluminum bar, we really do like their carbon bars because they are very, very sturdy. They're not the lightest, 10 to 20 grams heavier. So if you're a weight weenie, that probably isn't your first choice, but durability, reliability is important to us. So all right, so that is what we're going to be working on today, a Scott Plasma 3. We're going to replace the stem. Oh, and by the way, this top cap is not sold separately. So the customer unfortunately had to buy a whole new stem. So, and then this is the corroded headset that we're replacing. And the bearings are in really bad shape. So he's going to get a nice, very fluid headset, steering, and then a new stem, and he'll finally be able to take the slop out of the headset which is not good because it not only damages bearings, but it could also damage the frame. And in this case, this frame is carbon cups. So it's very important to have good bearings and to have your headset adjusted properly. Otherwise, you damage the carbon frame. Okay, thank you for watching. As always, please like, share, make comments, tell your friends about us. And if you're local, please pay us a visit. If you're from far away, we ship every day all over the country. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.